Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into a Keller Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into a Keller Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in kwlens.com/login and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Keller Mortgage account. Enter your username or email address and password associated with your Keller Mortgage account and tap on login. Tick mark on the box that says remember me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. You can also log into your Keller Mortgage account using your Microsoft account as well. In case if you don't remember your password, click on lost your password option. This is how you can log into a Keller Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.